making sate angkringan with me and my father. Step 1. Cook the rice.
Yeah, let's open it. Woo.
This is ikan teri.
Ikan teri. I don't know what is this. Kemangi.
This is kemangi. Let's cook the rice.
Okay, let's go. Close it. Close it, and we need to chop.
Guys, the rice is under cooking. Now, step 2. We need to fire up the barbecue charcoal.
Let's fire up the fire. How to do? How come you don't know? Put the oil inside the charcoal. Say.
Put the oil inside the charcoal.
Now, take it off
take it off.
and fire up. Do it for yourself.
Charcoal, we need the paper. Prepare the ketchup. Saus tiram. Kecap asin. Just a little. Oh, this is ketumbar. Not too many. Now we need to aduk. Now we have this egg and this tempe and this tofu. Need to swirl the egg. Now the tofu. Daddy, are you finished?
No, yeah. This is not that easy to fire up the charcoal, you know. Do you think easy fire up the charcoal?
Meanwhile, we're waiting the charcoal. We swirl the egg, the tofu, and the tempe. Step 3. Barbecue time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Put it here. Let me have it. Wow. Woo. Look the egg,
We need to
guys,
put the tofu.
into the barbecue. Huh.
It's perfectly cooked.
Oh yeah, I think so. This is cooked perfectly. Chop, not my chop. Do by yourself. Go here lah, go here lah. Ah. I want it. I want to eat. I want to eat. Come on, hurry up. I want to eat. Ooh, smells so good, guys. Oh my god. Smells so good.
Hi guys, the rice is already cooked. Let's try to open.
Whoa, smells so good. What is inside? So many fish.
Now we take the rice.
Ah, smells so good. I'm hungry.
The satay.
This one already cooked well. Let's get the satay. This one. You want the tofu? You want tofu? Tempe? Okay, sir. Let me take the tempe. I think we should.
This is for you, Dad.
What? You give it to me? Okay. Give me the telur puyuh satay. Yeah, that one. This one. 谢谢 my man. I want the tofu. Oh, so hot.
Let's eat.
Okay. Wait for me. So, you can cook, right? It's easy.
Yes. This is my cooking. Very good.
And this is angkringan, right? Angkringan style.
And this is angkringan style.
Good. How's
So good.
Tofu, the tofu.
Hi guys.
Oh.
Thank you for watching. My name is Dave. Before Dave out.
Bye.
Bye.
It's good. I want more. Give me more. I take more, yeah.
Bye.